The country needs all of you to build products that will help reduce this pollution as well as the environmental damage. Green energy and sustainability is extremely important.
Self-reliance and freedom of energy is very, very important, right? So for that, it is important to have technologies which are built here, developed here.
India taking a leap and going whole hog in electric vehicle is not just makes economic sense, it makes geopolitical sense, it makes strategic sense.
We should be an EV and EV component exporter nation in this world. So that is what we want to achieve.
My vision, I would like to see an India which is very green, which is independent in true sense economically as well as from the pollution.
The campaign that government is running, that Har Ghar Mein Tiranga, we would like to add to that, saying Har Ghar Mein EV se delivery.
I think the country is ready. It's our time, it's our moment.
We are sitting at the head table in the electric vehicle space. Let us maintain that position. Jai Hind.